Have you ever wished you had a twin? Someone who knows what you know, thinks the way you think, and understands you better than anyone else. Well, what if I told you that this dream could become a reality, not in the form of a human twin, but as your own personal AI agent? So, what exactly is this personal AI we're talking about? Well, imagine having a digital twin, a sophisticated AI model that learns from your unique data. It's like having a virtual assistant that not only understands you, but also thinks like you. Let's dive deeper into what makes personal AI unique. Here's why personal AI stands out as your ultimate AI companion. 1. Personalized learning. It's trained on your unique data, making it a mirror of your intellect and creativity. 2. Data security. Rest assured, your data stays yours, period. 3. Versatile text-based objectives. Whether you need help drafting ideas, engaging in casual chats, or performing in-depth analysis, it's got your text-based needs covered. 4. Self-improving. The more you interact, the smarter it gets. It's like having a personalized learning machine at your fingertips. Oh, and did I mention, this isn't just a standalone service. Your personal AI is supercharged with API access and supported by an extensive suite of apps, all thanks to VE7 LTX Diagonal Thinking Limited. These apps can ingest various types of information, making your personal AI more powerful than ever. Now, isn't that something? You might be wondering, how is this different from other language models like GPT or other lesser-known LLMs? Great question. Unlike GPT or other LLMs that are trained on general data, personal AI is trained by you for you. Here are some benefits that make personal AI your perfect AI companion. So if you've been yearning for that twin to share your thoughts with, why not give personal AI a try? Interested in learning more? tinyurl.com/ve7ltx. That's all for today, folks. If you found this intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care.